guys, I just wanted to pop on here and give you guys a little life update and let you know what's been going on. So we're moving. We decided to list our house for sale last month because we thought we found our dream home. Unfortunately, the house fell through for us, but we had already listed ours for sale and ours actually sold in less than 24 hours. So we're moving and it's a new and exciting journey. We are exhausted. We've been moving all day, but before we leave, I wanted to share a quick house tour with you guys, just to show you where we've been living for the last couple years. And yeah, so let's get started. Here we are. Our U-Haul is all loaded up. We are just grabbing the last few things from the house and then heading out, but this is our home. So let's go check it out. And it's actually a crazy story. So the people who are buying our home, it's their first home and they loved ours so much that they wanted to buy it fully furnished. So we are leaving the majority of our furniture here. We just packed up like our essentials. So here's what it looks like when you first walk in. We have a little bench, curtains, light fixture, and then over here we have the dining room, staircase going up, and all of the bedrooms are upstairs. Cute little entry table. So we're gonna go this way first. Here we took a decoration down that said Beverlin, so we left another one here for them to hang up. My little fig. It is kind of weird moving and like leaving all of your stuff for someone else. Here we just have a small half bathroom. And we actually renovated this house top to bottom. So we bought it as a foreclosure and redid everything. So the floors, paint, light fixtures, everything. Oh, I guess that light bulb's out. I need to change that. Over here we have our living room. I'll walk over there in a second. And then here's the kitchen. I know you guys have seen me take a lot of pictures here. We left them a little bottle of wine so they can celebrate their new home. I hope they love this kitchen because we loved it a lot. And then it kind of loops back around to that dining room. And then there's the front door again. So here's the dining room, this little hutch. Then here, the dining room table. I'm actually glad they wanted this furniture because this is all very dark and I kind of want just like a white farmhouse table. Okay, and then heading the other way from the front door, we're gonna head into the living room, and over here is the garage. So here is our living room, which again, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this room a lot. I don't think you've ever seen it from this angle before. So here's what the entire room looks like. We absolutely love this, and we'll probably set up our new living room very similar to this. All those pictures, I know you guys love those frames. I'm definitely gonna be recreating that wall. Actually, I need to take all of our pictures out, and if not, they're gonna be looking at our face until they change them out. And we used to have our TV hanging up there. But I love this space. Marky actually built this fireplace. I showed him a picture on Pinterest, and he built me custom fireplace, which I love so much. So hopefully we can have something similar in our new house. Over here, we just have a wall clock and then a little console table. And then heading back over this way, we are looking at the kitchen again. We have a small dinette table. And we actually have a pool in our backyard too. The pups are outside. Let's go say hi. Ooh, it's hot out here. It's like 90 degrees right now. Hi, babies. Hello, hi. Hi, Zeppy. Hi, boys. They actually just went swimming earlier today. Don't go in that pool. Please do not go in there. We gotta leave. Don't. Zeppy, don't go in the pool. No. No, no. You're like, it's hot, Mom. We have a little fire pit out here and our patio furniture. Come here. Hello. Hi. Now we're gonna head upstairs. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how many times we walked up and down these stairs over the last couple days. Such a workout, I'm exhausted. So up here we have a big landing area. Walk over to this side first. We have cute little light fixtures. It's just a small bathroom. We really didn't do much to renovate this one. Just put down new tile and kind of cleaned it up a little bit, but it's just a simple little bathroom. And then we have our laundry room, which we took our washer and dryer with us, so this is empty. Then our workout room, and they actually liked our workout setup, so we left this here for them. We'll kind of set up a new home gym once we get situated in our new house. This bedroom has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. So here's the middle bedroom. This was kind of just like our catch-all room. We just always had like extra stuff in it. We never had it set up as a bedroom, so there's nothing really left in there. We did leave them a chair and some extra decorations so they can finish decorating the house. And then over here, this is my office, which I know you guys have seen a lot. A lot of you guys think this is our bedroom, but this is actually just a office. And again, they really like this whole setup, so we're leaving everything for them. A little vanity. So I'm going to be setting up a new room, pretty similar to this one once we get situated in our new house. And then over here, we have the closet. And I had this full of shoes, so I'm definitely going to need some serious shoe storage in the new house. I think I boxed up like, oh my gosh, probably 5 boxes of shoes. It's kind of crazy. And then this is our bedroom. Was our bedroom. It's kind of weird. So we'd actually just recently redone this right before we listed it for sale. So it's kind of weird buying new furniture and then leaving it behind, but I will probably repurchase these exact same nightstands in bed because I do love them so much. And then our bench. I know you guys love these mirrors. Those ones are from Target. I'm hoping they restock them because I do want those in our new house too. Just light, neutral colors. Definitely something that we'll want in our new house too. And we did actually change out this light fixture. We got one of those big wrought iron globe fixtures and we loved it so much. So we did take that down and swap it out for a ceiling fan because we wanted to take that with us. And then into here is our bathroom, which we had just recently redone this as well, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Just white marble. Turn the lights on. Here we go. And then we did a freestanding tub. We also left them some picture frames. I was going to hang them up here and I just didn't get to it. And our shower, which again we had just, so you can see it better. We had just redone this. Subway tile and then marble on the bottom. And then we have our small water closet here. Toilet, nothing fancy. And then there is a linen closet behind the door. And then here's our closet. So one thing we didn't love about this house, that it didn't have a lot of closet space. So it's very small and very cramped, so we're excited to have more storage. But that's it, it's our house. I know a lot of you guys had asked for a house tour when we started sharing our home on Instagram, and I'm sorry it's taken me until the day we're moving out to share it, but I hope you guys like this quick little tour. Sorry I was like out of breath the entire time. We've been moving all day. I'm exhausted, but I did want to make sure I shared this with you guys and show you where we've been living. And yeah, so we are very excited to share this new chapter of our life and very excited to eventually be in our dream home. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.